Topic 14. My favorite movie. My favorite movie is very interesting and enjoyable. I like watching movies in my free time because they help me relax and learn new things. Movies can tell beautiful stories and show different ideas from around the world. I usually watch movies at home with my family or friends. We sit together, enjoy snacks, and have a good time. Watching movies together makes me feel happy because we can share our feelings and talk about the story. My favorite type of movie is comedy and adventure. Comedy movies make me laugh and feel relaxed, while adventure movies are exciting and full of action. I like stories with strong characters and positive messages. Sometimes I watch English movies to improve my language skills. I listen carefully to the words and try to understand the meaning. This helps me learn new vocabulary and improve my listening. Watching movies is a fun way to learn English. After watching a movie, I often think about the story and what I learned from it. Some movies teach us to be kind, brave, and never give up. These lessons are very important in life. Movies are not just entertainment, they are also a way to learn and grow. That is why my favorite movie is special to me, and I enjoy watching it again and again.